We'll guide you through how to fix your Minecraft Microsoft account not signing in. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing for more helpful guides. To access that section, go and close it. Press the search icon at the bottom and type in Settings. Navigate to the left side and select Apps, then choose Installed Apps. You can then type Minecraft into the search field like this. Move to the right side, press the 3DOT menu, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down, locate the option for Terminate, and select it. Then navigate into Reset. Choose Repair, and afterward, we will also select Reset. Now, reopen the launcher. Once it opens again, attempt to sign in. If the account shown is incorrect, you can press Sign in with a different account. You can then see if your account is listed here. Otherwise, select Add Account and press Continue.